Michelin Primacy 5 versus Vredestein Ultrac, a clash between a brand new touring benchmark and an underdog with something to prove. Can the Ultrac punch above its weight, or will the Primacy 5 turn this in another clean sweep? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Vredestein Ultrac set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the 2025 Aftenbladet Summer Tire Test. Starting with wet performance, in braking, the Primacy 5 stops 3.5 meters shorter than the Ultrac. That's 11% better. Both led the circuit in 77.4 seconds, but Michelin feels more confident behind the wheel, scoring a 10 points in subjective handling versus Ultrac's 8, which results in a 10% difference. Even in aquaplaning, the Primacy 5 edges ahead by 1%. On dry roads, the Primacy 5 stops just under a meter shorter, giving it a 3% gain. In handling feel, it scores 9 to Ultrac's 8, not a massive gap, but enough to give Michelin that consistent planted 5% edge. Now, the big one, mileage. The Vredestein managed only 15,400 km, while the new Michelin Primacy 5 is estimated to last around 47,500 km, over 3 times longer. In terms of comfort, it's a quiet win too, literally. Michelin scores a 10 out of 10 for cabin noise, compared to Ultrac's 8, a 10% improvement in noise comfort. How about rolling resistance? Here, Michelin had a 2% efficiency gain against Vredestein, small but helpful for fuel economy or EV range. Of course, performance comes at a price. The Primacy 5 is 31% more expensive, but with triple the mileage and clear all-round superiority, it's a smart investment. In summary, the Michelin Primacy 5 doesn't just win, it dominates. Better wet, dry, comfort and mileage, the Vredestein Ultrac puts up a good fight, but Michelin's new gen touring tire is on another level.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.